Alright, if you watched my last video, I showed you how to get the small, smooth, and silky stone by the waterfall right before the firekeeper's wood house. So this is right after the bonfire, right after their house. You're going to come out here into Things Betwixt. Now, I'm going to assume you have the shortcut ladder, but if you don't, you need to come through this first fog gate and go all the way around. If you've already done that and you've knocked down the ladder shortcut, just come over here to this ladder. And this bird's nest right here. Alright, go into your inventory, go down to a small, smooth, and silky stone, select. Do not hit discard because you'll get rid of it in your inventory, so instead choose leave and hit confirm. And you see it floating in the nest. You might have to come back. I thought it was supposed to be instant. Let's leave and try to come back. No, you just have to go out of your inventory, I guess. No. Alright, let's try to leave and come back. Titanite slab, so I guess it is instantaneous. You just drop it and pick it up. It's supposed to be different what you leave every time, so. Alright, thanks.